So baby, it's time to do this hair. And I also wanted to use my products from Naturally Crown. So I'm going to hydrate my hair with Water Me Please Daily Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I'll be retwisting with Hold Me Tight Lock and Braid Gel. It smells so good. It smells like candy. As y'all can see, I got a whole lot of hair. So retwisting my hair be taking time, honey. So I like to keep my hair wet. Don't nobody want to retwist no dry hair, honey. And as you can see, you only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, honey. And then I start the palm roll, baby. So I'm so excited because I got some little edges, honey. So don't be coming for my edges. I have a vitamin deficiency, and that will tend to make your hair sparse on the edges. So don't be coming for nobody's edges, honey. So I'm almost at the mountaintop with all of this hair, honey. So before I sat under the dryer, I went in with my Grease My Scalp Penetrating Hair Oil because I just like for my scalp to be nice and oiled before I sit under the dryer because it just, ooh, look at that. So after I got under the dryer, I went on and did my little high ponytail. And then I was like, you know what? I want some lock knots, honey. I want a lock knot ponytail. So y'all getting a 2-for-1. Not only are you getting the information on these amazing products from Naturally Crown, but you're getting a hair tutorial, honey. So, to do my lock knots, of course, you start off with root twist. Then I get it to the desired length. And I take one end and I start to wrap it up my lock. And once I wrap it up my lock, I will take a rubber band and I will secure it. Then, after I have secured that one end, then I will take the other remaining end and I will begin to wrap it up as well. As you finish see right here, honey, wrap it up. Wrap it up just like you're supposed to wrap up that meat. Wrap it up, honey. Wrap it up. And then you're going to take a rubber band and then you're going to secure it. And then it looked like that. So, and when we was all done, this is how we look, baby. This is how the big look. And I did it myself. So, go ahead over to Naturally Crown and tell them I sent you because these products are amazing, honey.